Morning everyone, today is May 9, 2022, so we come back with stock overview reporting from Nebraska, USA. Thank you again. So now we come back, we can see on the map most of them on the stock cap, the total still really red because the global trading getting low and it affects the whole economy of every country right now, especially, but we can tell those oil areas still really green. If you want, you can focus on those oil, but anything. Good news today is oil went down more than $2. Gold went down, like everything goes down. That's pretty good. See, we can see it's like local share mostly fall as rate hikes. China slowed down loans, so because they've been shut down so long, that's why the economy kind of, and especially European shares fell in trading this morning. And those you can read by yourself on that section. So, by the way, now we can focus on a lot of number, especially before the market close. The sector fall out, they lost over 2,000 points. And we can see Bitcoin and Ethereum target is remain. So it's going to be back. Yep, and it's going back right now, especially on BTC and Ethereum. So the oil is going down, more down, lower right now. By the way, see those map on the screen. We can see that lace is the lowest one. We can see right now as mean when it's too low and they have to be getting up again. So especially Bitcoin is, we can call them the king in crypto, like crypto king. So by the way, if you see those, they kind of affect the small crypto a lot, and especially you can see in crude oil, and especially those like Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and Russell's went down so much, more than 1%, 0.6%. That's a lot. And all those number, I mean, honestly, I don't trust anything. I just trust the number. Because number cannot lie to you. You know to read the number, boom, you well done. Sometimes you just need to read the news. That's why I try to read them every day as soon as possible, as much possible. So, by the way, we can tell it's getting much better. Here is the option chart. We can stick with NEO. Let's try at 15 and we bid them around 1.3 is good. And CHPT, that's good enough. I think that's the best too. If we play with option, we can hang for today. And especially in market map, especially slowly change. Some of them turn really, really red, but most of them, like in the oil area, real estate area, utilities, and whole house and consumer electrics, it's getting up so much. And before that is like ETFs, and now is currencies. We can see it's US dollars getting up a little bit. Euro like went up just a little, and Canadian dollars getting up. So Japan is getting up too. That's pretty good. And Swiss franc is getting up. The only Australians went down. Everything's up. That's pretty good. So we can see those. I mean, US dollars not affect much. The oil is more affect the economy and the way of the stock moving. That's the most important. We cannot do anything without the oil information. So the first one we're going to do today is SIDU. See, the SPY is 2.59 right now. It's really pretty cheap. You can buy it right now, get some thousand share, but honestly it's pretty good. And you can sell it like 270 or more than that, depend, like $3, whatever you want to, and how much profits you want to hang around with. It's 29 is highest one and 1.9 is lowest one, but one day they can move around $2 something to $4 something. That's mean you can like buy one get one. You buy one share, they give you another share. But we don't need that. We just need about 50 cents. I mean 20 to 30 cents good enough. You never know what's going on with the market, because out there you don't have sector to watch, you don't have a system to scan, and pretty hard to read the number, because the number they connect each other, buying and selling. So my students know if they don't have a system, but they know where to find the number at. And one of the most accurate number is that's the W one. It's really pretty good when you scan the wave. One wave, two waves, or the legs. Like small leg it's not affect much, but the whole wave is the best. So FRG for global holding that's my second stock for today. And especially today we can get the lower price of the first one is CDU and SIDU, and the second one a little more expensive, like $30-some a share. We get 1,000 share is it's a little fancy, a little expensive. So anyway, lowest one is $9 and highest one is $47, and one day they can hang around with 25 to 32. That means you have to keep them, like you buy the first order like 5 to 10 share, but your main order have to be much lower than that, around 27. If you buy too high, it's really hard to back it up. That's why I always say you save one of your third account to back up your full account. But we don't want that to happen, Whatever you don't feel safe, just sell it, run away really fast. As mean you still have your own money, and if you don't do that, you're stuck for a long time. That's really dangerous on this industry. One more time, I share what I buy, you choose what you buy. And if you don't read much, if you don't have time for that, it's better buy slowly, buy small share, and have a good day, and see you guys tomorrow.